What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we're gonna go riding. In last video we changed the oil on this thing, and so this will be the first ride with the new oil change. We're just gonna ride it around a little bit, ride it around the yard, maybe hit the mud hole a few times. I don't know, I think it's starting to rain just a little bit. Yeah. Back out on the old 450 fresh oil change. You saw last video. I went through how to change the oil basically. So we just recently bailed this, and there's a bail that fell apart and that didn't get picked back up. So I'm gonna go see if I can jump it. Let's see how this goes. Probably not gonna go very well. Thing's so heavy, it just ran right over. It didn't even get any air. Let's try it again. Yeah, I didn't feel anything. It was just nothing. That's kind of sad. But yeah. Check the oil level. We changed the oil filter and everything. You have to go see that last video. Check it out. So let's go down here. Let's hit this little easy mud hole first. Then we'll hit the worst. Well, I guess worst one. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Yeah, it is kind of late, but that doesn't matter. Oh, it's all dried up. There's a little bit of water, but it's mostly all dried up. That's kind of sad. We can still send it though. Going to second for this. I don't know. This is dried up too. Well, I thought it was dried up, but it doesn't look like it is. It does not appear to be dried up. It's actually pretty soft in here. I gotta get it tore up. Oh yeah, it's sticky mud because there's no water on the top, so it's really sticky. Let me get it all mixed up here. Nice and mixed up. Alright guys, so I'm going to set you all up on the tripod so that you can get a better look at this. So I'll catch you guys when I'm on the tripod. Alright guys, so I'm going to see if I can slow crawl through this. It's going to be tough because it is just so sticky. You need a bunch of momentum. Let's see if we can slow crawl through it. This is in first gear. Ah, that was easy. It's easy. Easy peasy. Actually, it's pretty sticky, but not for the four-wheel drive. It's pretty good for the four-wheel drive. Let's go wash it off in the water over here. Sort of wash it off. I'll probably have to get the water hose and wash it off. This is some sticky mud. Yeah. I'd say it's pretty good. Oh yeah. This hole is just it's sticky, but it's so much fun. Let's see, let's go right there. Well guys, I think I got it stuck. I think I got it stuck pretty good. Well, I was doing pretty good and all of a sudden it just sank. See, like I was on top and then it just sank. So yeah, I guess we're gonna have to get the tractor out to come pull me out. I guess I'll catch you guys when we're pulling it out with the tractor. Yeah. Alright guys, so my dad is on the tractor. We're gonna try to pull old Ducky, the Ducky Mobile out. Oh, if I can get it down in there. Alright. Yeah. It's buried pretty deep. Hold on, let me push the gas. Alright. Yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so easy. Yay, like butter. Like butter. Keep going. Like butter. That's good. Yeah guys, I buried her pretty deep. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content just like this. Let's go mudding here at Riding Parks and everywhere else. So, the next one guys, I'll see you later.